We are always looking for ways to empower you to bring your most inventive ideas to life. Your feedback is invaluable, and that's why today we're thrilled to show you something you've asked for, the integration of numbers into our crossword puzzles tool, opening up a whole new world of cross-number puzzles. Let's head over to a book creator and I'll walk you through using this new ability. To use numbers in your crossword puzzle, you need to go under Puzzle Settings and check Allow Numbers in Answers. Let me show you what happens if you want to use numbers and you forget to click that button. So I've already entered a set of addition and subtraction and multiplication problems and their answers for my clues and answers. And now if I do a refresh, there's not going to be anything in my puzzle. But once you click Allow Numbers and Answers, and now you actually have a puzzle with numbers. As you see from the answers, they're all included here. You have all the same functionality that you have in the regular crossword puzzles with the number type puzzles. For example, if we wanted to do 2-page puzzles, we could do that. We have our clues, our puzzle, and our answer. We can change the background to white and use rounded squares, and then our puzzle looks like this, clues. And if we want to go back to 1-page puzzles, and you can even use kids mode, and then your puzzles will look like this. So that's a quick overview of how to use this ability. If you want to learn how to use the crossword puzzle tool, refer to the other videos in the crossword puzzle playlist. And there you have it. This new feature is not just an addition, it's a gateway to expanding your creative horizon. With it, you can now weave numbers into your puzzles, making them more versatile, challenging, and educational. If you have any questions about how to use this tool or suggestions for new features to add to this tool, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.